Today we're going to be covering inventory and how to create a bundle item. So after you log in, first thing you're going to want to do is go over here to admin and click this drop down bar. You're going to see inventory here and click in on that. From here you can see any of your inventory items that you currently have, their stock amounts, any of the categories they're in, and the notes. You can also go in and edit and view the item. Also duplicate in case you want to do that as well. But if we want to add an item, we'll go up to the top right corner here, click add item. Now you're able to add an item image. You're going to want to put in a name, description, select the category that it's going to apply to, and add the rate. So each item will have slightly different rates depending on how long you want to rent it out. You can have a daily rate. Sometimes you can add more rates and have a weekly rate. So we can put a weekly rate in, and those prices are going to be different. So this is where you'd add those rates in here on the item. Now here you're going to be able to add the stock amount. So say you have 30, and then the turnaround time. Now the turnaround time is pretty crucial because if you have an item like linens you're adding where you might have a 2-day turnaround time, you want to be able to accurately predict when they're available to rent out again in your check availability feature. So for that, I would say, like, if this was a linen, you might have a 2-day turnaround time. From there, we do have a little depreciation tab, so you can actually put in the item value and the lifespan of years, and then when it was purchased. And then additionally, you can always add any notes on the item. Now if we wanted to build a bundle item, we would go here, and it's a very similar process. However, we would actually add a bunch of bundle items in that are already items that are made. For example, we would add like different trusses or just different little joints or crowns, any pieces that would build up a packet, for example. And I can actually show you what one of those looks like if we go back out here to inventory. So if we go to our 20 by 20 frame tent, you'll see here this is a bundle item. So we're renting out the 20 by 20 frame tent. However, this bundle item is composed of all these different component items. Now that's super important that you set up your bundle items like that so that you're able to actually track in the warehouse how many pieces need to be put together for a package, and also it's going to flag if you might have 3 tents out and you want to rent out a 4th tent, but you might not have enough steaks or legs in your warehouse, and so you might need to go buy some more. So that's super useful.